guys. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've been trying to enjoy the boat. But we've had this crazy ass heat wave. I think it's gotten up to like 100 for the past few weeks. So we can't really enjoy a boat unless you have AC. And my boat doesn't have AC. And right now, it currently doesn't have a bilge pump either, because the manual one that cost $360 just died on me. So I'm gonna try this one that I wired up in the previous video. But I gotta check these wires, see if there's any power going to it, where it goes to, you know. I have to mount the switch and all this other junk. I have to reconnect the hoses in the back of the boat, because I took out this one right here. Now, as you can tell, this thing has never been serviced, and if I could get these off, I could get to the impeller inside, but I don't want to have to replace this one with another one if I'm going to use that thing. But that thing only cost me like $60. I'm not sure if I really trust it, because it's made out of plastic. This thing is like the freaking engine. But it does cost $360. At least the one that I saw. I mean, it's an easy install. You just got to reconnect the power and the ground, reconnect the hoses here and here, mount this in the back of the boat, and I'm good to go. But it's manual. And the switch, which is over here. So the bilge pump is this one right here. So you hit it on, and it gets power. But it's manual, and I like that. I want to install my rule one, but I don't have an extra outlet that I can use. I'm gonna have to pop a hole here and mount it here. Then I have to run all the wires and everything. So today I'm just tracing wires. Oh, but it's like 1,000 degrees in here. I got all the portholes open. I got my fan in the window. But yeah, I'm sweating like a pig over here. So yeah, it's not always sailing and margaritas. It feels like it's more work than anything. But the times you get to enjoy the boat, it's worth it. All right, so after making a mess, I got my switch in. I just gotta wire it up. I traced all the wires. I was gonna put it up there, but I'm gonna have to like crawl around, and there's a nightmare in there. So I just put it right here, so if anything happens to it, I have quick access to it. I hooked up the wires. I just gotta cut the holes, make it fit, get an adapter so it can fit into that thing. Oh Lord, it's always a project. When my boat's a mess, I gotta clean this up. It's giving me anxiety. I forgot my vacuum. That's the thing about being on a mooring ball. It sucks going back and forth to the dock because you keep forgetting stuff. It's a pain in the ass. But if you're gonna work on your boat, I suggest having a slip. I suggest having a slip and not trying to do this on the mooring.